student, don't forget to subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Here we discuss about electrolysis of silver nitrate solution using platinum electrode. So what happens at cathode and anode and which ions are discharged, we have to see that. So I will tell you that the standard reduction potential of silver 1 positive to silver is equal to 0.799 volt, or simply 0.8 rounded off is equal to 0.8 volt. Now, and water, water is having 0. So H positive and see H2 and H positive to H2, E not 0. If we will take this or half of H positive and convert it, reduce to this H2, so it is also 0. Okay, so whether it is half or 1 mole, it will be 0. E naught value, standard reduction potential of hydrogen is 0. Standard reduction potential of silver 1 positive to silver is having a plus 0.8 volt. So what happens when they will ionize in aqueous solution? AgNO3 ionizes as Ag1 positive and nitrate ion, and water is ionizes as H positive and OH negative ion. Okay, at cathode, as we have seen that Ag1 positive, Ag is having positive reduction potential, standard reduction potential, so it will easily tendency to reduce fast, so it will reduce, and Ag positive deposited in the form of silver. Okay, because it is reduced to silver. See, Ag1 positive plus electron, Ag, it is deposited. So silver is deposited at cathode and H positive remain in the solution. Now here OH and nitrate ion both will compete at anode. At anode both will compete. Okay, so who will win? OH negative will win. Hydroxide ion will win, because here discharge potential of OH hydroxide ion is very low, means it will easily discharge its 4 electron and form oxidizes to oxygen, and water is obtained. So and NO3 ion here it is remain in the solution. So H positive from water, see, H positive remain in solution, and here in nitrate ion is remain in solution at anode. So solution is acidic in nature. So which two ions are present? H positive and OH nitrate ion. H positive and nitrate ion are present in the solution. Again I will repeat, Ag deposited at cathode because of positive standard reduction potential. So it will win the race because H positive is having 0 potential, and Ag1 positive to Ag is having higher potential, higher standard reduction potential, so lower discharge potential, so easily it will accept electron and Ag is obtained. Discharge potential low means easily accept electron.